Hello, this is Darlene with realmeaning.info. Thank you guys for joining me and being so patient with me as well. Today I'm going to do a video on how to use the Zoom virtual background on Android devices. Now you're wondering, well, why not all mobile devices? I know a lot of times the iPhone, sort of is very good when it comes to graphics and things like that. But only recently did they allow the Android devices actually to do the Zoom virtual background. So this is why I'm doing a video about that. So, and the way I do it is just three easy steps. So it's easy to follow along. So let's go. All right. So the first thing you want to do is when you're inside of a meeting, you're going to click these buttons on the lower right hand side. It's going to say more underneath. There are three dots, not buttons, but three dots, and it'll say more underneath. So click those. Then you're going to get a little like menu that comes up. Click on virtual background. Virtual background. Then after you click on that, you're going to get like Zoom is going to pop up just a smorgasbord of different virtual backgrounds you can choose from. So you can choose and click on any one that you want or push any one that you want. Okay, and that's how you do a virtual background. And after that, you never know. This is what you might see. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. Just storybook beautiful. So basically, you can even choose your own virtual backgrounds if you have a picture on your phone or tablet or whatever. Yeah. So now when you are done with using the virtual background and you want to not you want your own background again, this is what you do. You once again, you click on the three dots that says more underneath. Click on that again. Click on virtual background again, and this time click on where it says none, N-O-N-E, none. That means give me back my own background. Okay, I want my own rooms showing or whatever. Yep. So that's how you do when you're done using the virtual background. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please click the like button. Let me know how you like the, what is it, the Top Gun at the, that's what it reminds me of, and the different graphics that I put on this as well. Also, give me more, because I take requests. If you have any videos that you'd like for me to do, let me know. Email me and I will get right back to you or do those videos. Thank you so much. Keep checking my website, realmeaning.info, for more definitions as well. Thank you so much, and thank you for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.